If you use the weekends to break free from your 9 to 5 routine, you'll find these overnighter ride prep tips useful. To get the best riding experience, you need to give your motorcycle some attention before the fun begins. At the very least, you should top up tire pressure and make sure that the chain is clean and well lubricated. If you have not been riding your bike much, taking a closer look at cables, brakes, oil levels, and other moving parts is generally a good idea. If you expect to spend most of your weekend on the bike, you don't need much more than 2 sets of base layers and something to wear in the evening. Remember to keep your essentials handy, including things like basic tools, a first aid kit, chargers, and of course, layers that will keep you warm and dry in case the weather takes a turn for the worse. Ideally, your luggage setup should fit into something like a waterproof Pod 22 and a small tank bag or trail pack for things that you need faster access to. The legends amongst you might carry even less. If your riding gear has been tucked away through the week, make sure to take it out the evening before to check that everything is okay. It's easy to forget smaller things like a balaclava or earplugs when you have an early morning start. So just laying things out and keeping it ready to go helps make sure that you have all the right gear for the trip. A day on the saddle can be deceptively taxing on your body. So make sure that you have all that you need to keep you going. Carrying water in a hydration bag and a few snacks tucked away will also give you the freedom to stop when and wherever you please.